Hello, my food lovers. Who told you that you can't achieve a perfect stew without it being fried? Watch out how I make this stew of mine without it being fried. Here is hot pepper or shambo, beef meat, cow beef meat, my tomato paste, my onion, my vegetable oil. This is my spice, my seasoning cube, and my natural spice. So check all of them. This is my fresh tomatoes. I have to blend and boil it to get it dry because that's what is still required. This is my hot pepper, fresh pepper. Here is my boiled fresh tomato. Here is my well seasoned cow meat, well seasoned with enough of meat spices, with enough peppermints, ginger, garlic, rosemary, thyme, curry. Right now I have to steam the meat, the cow beef meat. After then I have to start preparing the stew. So watch out, the meat is already steamed. So what I have to do here is to bring in my vegetable oil and add my chopped onion. Okay, then I will stir and cover up to boil a bit. Here is my tomato paste, my tin tomato paste. Here is my blended or shambo. Then I have to stir. The color is already wow. Give it a nice tone. So I have to cover and check. Still you have to be checking so that it will not get burnt. If you look very well, you see that it's always getting done. Already getting burnt. So I have to add in my boiled fresh tomato. I first added my tin tomato. My fresh was boiled and dried. I have to first of all add the tin tomato, get it dry before adding my fresh tomato paste. So I added in my seasoning cube and spice, then my fresh hot pepper, and give it a nice tone. The stew is giving. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is our already boiled white rice. So I will be stepping it down with this my delicious yummy stew. Here is the stew. I need to give it a thorough stir again. So our food is ready. This is a plate of beef stew and this rice, and to take it down with a cool drink. Did you watch how I make this stew? I didn't fry anything here. Not the tomato, not the onions, not the oil. You saw it, and the stew came out very sweet. So tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying this method of mine. And thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share. I love you all.